Hello, welcome to another episode of our show here on Link Media. Like I put in the comment in the description of the channel, that we'll be doing eclectic videos of things that matters to us. First, you know, products unboxing, life issues. We have the crime series section where we talk about a lot of things that have concerns our lives. So today, we'll be talking about one of my newest purchases, and it will be the unboxing of the. Guess what? No, you guess. You guess. Come on, guess. You don't want to guess. Well, without further ado, I'm just going to dive into the video. Out of excitement, as soon as this arrived in the mailbox, I tore it open because I've been waiting. So I just tore it open. This is the bag that it came through in the mail. So keep that on the side, and voila! That's your Apple Magic keyboard for iPad Pro, 11-inch, second generation. And you also have another size for the iPad Pro, the 12.9-inch third generation. But this is for the 11th generation. So, I love it. So I recently got this iPad. This is the iPad Pro 11-inch second generation. So sweet, very sweet. And I thought, why don't I just get a keyboard? Get a keyboard, and I could use the keyboard with it. And I thought that's a good idea. So there you go. And I will be unboxing that for you guys today. All right. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So it says here iPad Air 4th generation. So it could be used for iPad Air 4th generation. It could be used for iPad Pro 11-inch first and second generation, and also for iPad Pro 12.9 inches third and fourth generation. So yeah, Apple products are pretty premium, once you get them. And to be very honest with you, this is actually my my iPad is actually my first Apple product ever. I've always been an Android guy, and I ended up getting this Apple. Okay, there you go. Now look at the tab. Ooh. Aha, voila. This is so cool. Ooh. Waterproof gun. Ooh. What do you think, guys? Oh, now you're gonna open that with a lot of love, Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, I can't look. All right. And don't worry about the way I'm talking at the moment. I've got a cold, so there you go. Ooh. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Ouch. Come on, Ike. Oh. Look at that. And voila. Aha. Now, so this is pretty cool, Look at that. So you can actually leave it this way, just slanted, like straight, or you can bend it over, and that leaves your iPad sort of floating on top of the keyboard. That's actually the beautiful part of this keyboard here, is that your iPad can actually hang in there on the magnet, floating off the keyboard. Beautiful, beautiful. And another sweet part of it is that it's got trackpad. So that trackpad here, let's see. Oh, it's got the click too. It's got the click. It's got the click. Okay, so that's got the click, and the buttons are so cool. Oh my God, so clicky, so clicky. I'm not sure if you can hear the sound. Very clicky. All right. So another thing that you find here is that it's got don't listen to that naughty boy. He's my little boy. It's got a bit of it's got the charger here as well, the charging point, and that's a Type C charging cable, charging port. So you can actually charge your iPad off this little beauty here. Okay, so let me attach my little iPad here and show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's got like three little dots here. I'm not sure if you can see, and that's where it connects to the keyboard for charging. So turn it around and voila! Oh my goodness! This is like you having a little laptop. Okay, it's just like you having a little laptop, and it serves like a casing as well, just in case you don't want to, boom, there you go. Aha. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. This is really, really cool. Okay? It's really cool. You can actually go out with it in hand and feel safe and comfortable with it. Okay? Now, I'm going to go back opening it again for us. Okay? So, if I open that again, and it feels that way, and if you want to make it sort of a bit more comfortable, so you can actually type and have a good view of the iPad, then you go boom, slanted, boom, boom. See, and the trackpad, you can actually see that. See, you can see the mouse on the trackpad moving around. It's actually like a little circle thing. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna get my results sorted. Right. Sorry guys. I just had to get something sorted. Now, I'll tell you something else that I got today, but I had to go in shop to get it. Now, that one here on Apple website, it goes for $449, but I got it on sales on Kogan for $390. So saved a bit of money there, about $100 and something, I think. That's a good bargain if you ask me. Okay, for that little beauty from Apple, that's a good bargain. Now, another thing that you need to see, is ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. So that's the pen. That's the pencil. So that's your Apple Pencil. Self charges when you attach it to your iPad. Pretty cool. Okay, and I'll show you. Just give me 1 minute. Unboxing it. Oh, that's just my little receipt. Because I already took out the whole thing. Like the little bits and pieces of the plastic bag. Didn't really need that, so I'm like a lion when I get a new toy. Tear it apart and then chuck them in the bin and grab my things out. So now look at that pen. Ooh, isn't that beautiful?
It's very beautiful.
So it's got like a little, see, my daughter says it's very beautiful. She likes good things too. And it's got a little tap button there. And I mean, the button is not visible. It's just a little like an invincible button, but you tap on it and you can actually switch from side to side. Like from when you're trying to draw or you're trying to paint, you can actually tap and change, how do I say it? And change settings, sort of. Okay, so I would have loved us to have a quick look at this, but let me see what we can do. All right, now can I show you quickly? I'll just bring that around there. And that's a photo of my little beautiful family, and that's the missus, that's me, that's little Kamsi, That's Victor, and that's Isabella. Now let's have a look at this. Aha! Voila, voila, voila! And see, and I don't want you to look at my password. Come on, take your eyes off my password. Take your eyes off. Take your eyes off. Take your eyes off. Aha! And all right, I'm gonna turn it right back to me because you're gonna see my password. So that. Oh no, I got it wrong too. Hang on. That. This is actually really beautiful. I'll tell you what. This is the most beautiful ever thing I've ever got. It's just one of the Apple products are absolutely solid. It's just like having a computer running on a tablet. That's basically what you're getting. And then because it's a newer version of this product, it means that you can actually use it for a pretty long time, probably 5-6 years. You'll still be in line. And I'll just chuck that on top of there and give it a little charge. That's what it says. Just chuck it on there and it connects, and it also charges. Okay, so I'm just gonna try this out. The video is just to unbox it and show it off, so you see what it looks like. And then after I use it for a little bit, I'll come back here to tell you my experience using this, how easy it was, how easy it is using it, or how hard it is. I'll tell you the ups and the pros and the cons of having this. Okay, all right, and I will show you in the next video. All right, see you later. Bye.